Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we are near Cape Town, which is in South Africa. So we are anchored here near in Cape Town, which is Anchorage area. So I'm in the forward part of the ship and I wanted to show you how we anchor, anchoring equipments and something about anchoring. So that's the video all about. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Meet Mr. Uttam. Uttam will help us to explain different part of the anchoring equipments, how things are done, so we can have a better idea. So, hi Uttam, so please explain us what exactly we are doing here and just idea about what different equipments we are using.
Okay, the vessel is the forward part is the anchoring area. There is a windlass. This chain, the anchor chain, and coming out going to water.
So we are having the anchor windlass here and we have the mooring winch here. So mooring winch is basically the one which used for tying the ship to the jetty. So this is the equipment which is called anchor windlass, which we use it for anchoring. So these are the chains which you see. So these chains, at the end of the chain we have the anchor. We cannot see that, and the chain is going through hose pipe. That is the hose pipe where the chain goes inside the water, and the outside part will look like something like this. So now Uttam will explain us what happens when the chain drops and how they are doing things from here. Okay,
Now anchor chain is low rate. Now is a 5 on water. Now cable leading is the 2 o'clock medium stay. Chain is now 5 on water.
okay, the chain 5 on the water means what exactly is chain 5 on the water?
This is the cable. This is showing the cable. This 5 on water. There is a marking there. There the marking. The 5 cycle in the water. Water level.
So as he said, there is a 5 shackles in the water level, and we say it as 5 in the water
level.
Okay.
And cable leading now is the 2 o'clock medium stay.
Okay, so he said the cable leading is 2 o'clock medium stay, which means the 2 o'clock position with respect to a clock, and it's a medium stay is the distance, right?
Yeah, distance.
So distance between anchor to the ship. So basically this is how it looks from top. So what you see over there is a bulbous bow, and this is the anchor chain. So the other end of the chain is in the water, and we have the anchor on the other end of it. Okay, so this is called the bow stopper,
This is
right?
holding the chain.
So this is the what holding the chain right now.
Yeah.
So guys, so let me explain you what actually happens when we anchor. So this is something called the clutch. So clutch is one which holds the anchor chain. As you can see, this is the disengage position of the clutch. So this is the lever for engaging it. So if you want to engage or disengage, this is how it looks like. So this now the clutch is engaged, and if you want to disengage, we can move the lever and the clutch is disengaged. We use the clutch to slowly lower the anchor just above the water level. Then we use this brake to hold it in position. We have a big brake drum over there, and which is being like pushed onto it. So this is the wheel which is used to engage and disengage the brake. The clutch is disengaged right now, so there is no power so it won't be rotating, and we have the brake engaged. So this is keeping the anchor without going into the water anymore, right?
Yes.
This is what you call the brake drum. So this is your brake drum. You know how big that is? Yeah, brake line is being touched to the brake drum, so it is holding the chain in place. So once the anchor is just above the water level, we will use this brake to let go the anchor chain. So once the brake is released, then the anchor along with the chain will go into the water by its own weight. And once the anchor is already touched the bottom, then we'll slowly tighten the brake according to the length which is needed according to depth, right? Unfortunately, we cannot show you the anchor because anchor is already in the water, so we cannot show you the anchor. So if you can see this part is called the chain locker. As you have seen, this end gone into the water and the other end of the chain is gone into the chain locker, and you have something called a bitter end on the end of the chain which is holding into the ship's hull. So that's the anchor windlass, and the mooring winch on the other side. So this is how ship is anchored and hold in position. So guys, you can see the view is really good, you know. You have the mountains over there, the tabletop mountains over there, and you have clouds on top of that mountain. The view is really beautiful. That's called a Cape Town tableland. And you can see other ships being anchored on different positions. The one over there, there's one over there as well, and a Hamburg Süd vessel over there. This is the forwardmost point. And I thank Mr. Uttam for helping us with the info.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it was really helpful. Yeah, thank you, Uttam. So guys, that was a quick video about how we anchor the ship, the things related to anchoring. So if you guys like the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And you're first time out here, I'm Sujit and you're watching Mallu Marana Vlogs, where I get authentic lifestyle videos. So as always guys, see you on the next one. Peace.